Are you tired of your gaming laptop letting you down right when you need that clutch play? Missing headshots because of screen lag or watching your frame rates tank during intense battles? I've been testing the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i for the past month, and this machine is absolutely changing the game for serious gamers. Let's talk about what makes this laptop a beast. First, that Intel Core Ultra 7255HX processor paired with 32 gigs of memory means zero stuttering, even when you're streaming, gaming, and running Discord all at once. I've pushed this thing to its limits with the most demanding titles, and it handles everything like a champ. But here's where it gets really exciting, that NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti graphics card powered by the new Blackwell architecture. We're talking about ray tracing that actually looks cinematic, and DLSS performance that gives you those buttery smooth frame rates without sacrificing visual quality. The difference is night and day compared to older gaming laptops. Now, let's discuss that display because wow. This 16-inch WQXGA OLED screen at 240Hz is pure eye candy. The colors are so vibrant and accurate that games look almost photorealistic. And with that high refresh rate, competitive gaming feels incredibly responsive. You'll actually spot enemies in dark corners that you'd miss on regular displays. The smart AI optimization is another game changer. Lenovo's AI engine automatically adjusts performance based on what you're playing, so you're always getting peak performance without having to fiddle with settings. It learns your gaming patterns and optimizes accordingly. Storage is never a worry with that massive 2TB SSD. You can keep your entire game library installed, and load times are practically instant. Plus, you get 3 months of PC GamePass included, giving you access to hundreds of premium titles right out of the box. What really impressed me is the Legion cold front cooling system. Even during marathon gaming sessions, this laptop stays surprisingly cool and quiet. No more thermal throttling ruining your gameplay. This top-rated gaming laptop has thousands of 5-star reviews from serious gamers who've made the upgrade. At $2,699, it's an investment, but when you consider the performance you're getting, it's actually incredible value for a machine this powerful. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, check the link below for today's Amazon deal on the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. Your future self will thank you when you're dominating every lobby.